When most people start trading with just $100, their mind instantly flips into get-rich-quick mode. They imagine doubling it in a week, turning it into $1,000 in a month, maybe even quitting their job. But that's the exact mindset that makes most traders fail. Turning $100 into $1 million isn't about speed. It's about thinking in decades, not days. And the mindset you need for this? It's called the compounding mindset. Section 1. The compounding mindset. The compounding mindset is simple. Slow, consistent, and strategic growth beats reckless gains every single time. It's rooted in patience, discipline, and long-term vision. It doesn't give you the rush of placing a huge bet, but it's the same mindset that built fortunes, from Warren Buffett to Jesse Livermore. Think of $100 not as nothing, but as a seed. You don't eat it, you plant it, water it, and protect it. Digging it up constantly destroys it, just like overtrading destroys your account. Even a modest 5% weekly growth can change everything. $100 at 5% weekly becomes $10,000 in under 5 years. Keep this mindset with bigger capital, and the numbers explode into millions. Section 2. Protect your capital. Most traders risk too much on a single trade, chasing quick wins. But the compounding mindset is about protection. Millionaire traders don't measure success by a single trade. They measure it by a series of disciplined actions over time. Take Richard Dennis, for example. He started with $1,600 and turned it into hundreds of millions, not by gambling, but by applying consistent rules and letting time do the heavy lifting. Section 3. Emotional stability and losses. Losses are inevitable. The difference is how you react. A trader with a compounding mindset doesn't panic at a 2% loss. They stick to the plan, knowing over time they'll make it back without unnecessary risk. Emotional stability is key. Revenge trading is a killer. It's where most traders self-sabotage. Section 4. Patience. The real game changer. Patience isn't holding a trade for 5 extra minutes. Ruthless patience is waiting for the perfect setup, ignoring every market whisper that tempts you to act. The market is designed to trigger impatience. Every candle, every tick whispers, "Act now." But the patient trader waits. The impatient trader jumps, loses, and spirals. A famous example. A trader in 2003 only took 4 trades a month, waiting 23 days for the perfect signal. That one trade often earned more than most made all month. Patience also protects your account and allows your gains to compound. Quick wins may feel exciting, but slow, steady growth builds empires. Section 5. Emotional detachment. Most traders tie their identity to each trade. Win? They feel smart. Loss? They panic. This is deadly. Emotional detachment means trading your plan, not your feelings. A loss is just another step. A win isn't a reason to get reckless. Think of trading like running a restaurant. A canceled order doesn't close the business. Similarly, losing trades are the cost of doing business. Key steps to train detachment. 1. Define your risk before each trade. 2. Focus on the next trade, not the last. 3rd, keep trade sizes small enough to avoid emotional stress. Follow these, and your decisions become sharper, stress drops, and consistency rises. Section 6. Relentless adaptation. Markets change. Nothing is permanent. Trends, volatility, setups, they evolve. Relentless adaptation is about bending with the market instead of forcing it. Stubbornness kills, flexibility wins. Examples. Traders during the 2008 financial crisis survived by adapting to volatility and changing conditions. Marty Schwartz, the legendary pit bull, thrived because he expanded his skills and never relied on a single strategy. Adaptation also means embracing discomfort. Safe trades are limited. Growth comes from stepping into uncertainty and adjusting to yourself as well as the market. Section 7. Bringing it all together. So what separates a $100 trader from a millionaire trader? It's not luck. It's a mindset built on 4 cornerstones. 1. Discipline. Stick to your plan. 2. Patience. Wait for high probability setups. 3. Resilience. Handle losses without revenge trading. 4. Relentless adaptation. Evolve with the market and yourself. The $100 account is your training ground. Respect it, protect it, and grow it. The numbers will come. Remember, the market rewards process over outcome, not emotions. One trade doesn't define you. Your long-term actions do. If you can master these 4 cornerstones, your small account won't limit you. It will teach you how to become a professional trader. $100 today can become $1 million tomorrow, but only if your mindset is ready. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more trading psychology insights. And now, I want to hear from you. What's the biggest mindset shift you've made in trading, and how did it change your results? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one.